Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm going to show you how I got this design. This is actually from my set that I did in my last video where I did a fill-in just with the top coat filed off. I used these two colors from a gel kit I got from Amazon. First, what you're going to do is you're going to buff your nail so that the nail polish will go on smoothly. Once you finish buffing, you're going to take the hot pink nail polish and you're going to apply that to your pinky and your ring finger. You're only going to do a thin first layer because the second coat is going to make it appear more thick and the color is going to be more full. Next, you are going to take the sky blue color and apply that to your pointer finger and your thumb. Again, only doing a thin first layer. Once you're finished with that, you're going to cure them under the light for 60 seconds. Once it finishes curing, you're going to go ahead and add your second layer of gel polish to all four of your nails. Once you finish adding that, you're going to cure under the light for another 60 seconds. Once that finishes, you're going to take the sky blue color and apply it to about half of your middle finger. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the brush and just go in a diagonal line across your finger to your liking. And when you finish doing that diagonal line, you're going to take the end of your brush and you're just going to line it up. When you finish with the precision of your line, you're just going to fill in that extra space so it won't be all patchy. Once that's finished, cure under the light for 60 seconds. Now apply your second coat on that diagonal line. And once again, cure that for 60 seconds. Now you're going to take the hot pink polish and fill in the rest of your middle finger. Now when you get to that diagonal line, it's going to kind of be hard to make it as straight as you did the blue one. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill in that area, do the line to the best of your abilities, and then you're going to take your polygel brush, dip it in a little bit of alcohol, and kind of clean up that line so it'll be straight to how you like it. Once that's finished, you already know, cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. Then go ahead and do your second layer of hot pink, again cleaning it with the polygel brush and alcohol. And you know the drill, cure for 60 seconds. When you finish, you're going to wipe all the nails off with some alcohol. Now I'm going to apply some rhinestones and I'm going to take a little bit of polygel. I grabbed too much, but you want to take a little bit of polygel to make sure that those rhinestones are secure. I learned this from Evie of Long Hair Pretty Nails because, first I used to use nail glue, but this is way more secure and it lasts longer. Now you're going to apply the top coat over that without curing. Once that's finished, you're going to apply your rhinestones along the diagonal line or wherever you want to put them, but I decided to put them along the diagonal line where the colors split. Now you're going to cure that under the light for 60 seconds. I thought it was a little plain at first, so I decided to add top coat to the remainder of my fingers instead of doing polygel and top coat, and add a few little rhinestones to my other fingers to spice it up. You can't see it well, but I used blue rhinestones for my pink fingers and pink rhinestones for my blue fingers. And once again, when that's finished, cure under the light for 60 seconds. When you're finished, add some cuticle oil and then massage it into your fingers. And this is the final look. I added a clip without the extra rhinestones because I ended up liking that better in the end. But that's it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and suggestions down below. Thanks for watching.